So now let's select the artistic tool, left click, and then left click here. And now left click and now type your text. Control A to select all text. I'm going to change the font to Anton. And I'm going to change the size to 300 points. So here it is, press center. And now let's select the move tool. And now I'm going to center it like this. And now as you can see, I am on Pixel Studio, but this effect here will work on Layout Studio, Pixel and Vector Studio since they share the same steps we're going to use and the same tools. So now as you can see, I am on the move tool and I have only one layer, a text layer. If I right click on the text, select the text layer, right click on it, and then if I convert it to curves, it will change my tool to the node tool, and this will change the text layer into a group layer where each letter is on a separate layer, which is a curve. So now click on convert to curves. So here it is. As you can see, I am on the node tool, and here we have the group. If I click here to open it, so here it is. For example, this is the H. So now if I scroll down, so this is the K. So now we need to select all the letters. So I'm going to select the letter H, scroll down, and then hold the shift key and then select this layer, the S letter. So here it is. We have selected all the layers here inside the layer group. Just select the first one and then hold the shift key, scroll down, and then select the last one. And now we are on the node tool, and now we just need to select the nodes we want to affect. So I'm going to drag and then select them. And now I'm going to select it and then drag it. So here it is. If you want to drag it on a straight line, hold the shift key and then drag it. So here it is. And now I'm going to scroll down here on the layers tab, layers panel. Let's click on this icon here to close the group. And now we can still add styling. So for example, you can still change the color. So if I left click here, so I am on the color here. So here it is. I can also, for example, add some styling to it. Click on the layer effects. Let's, for example, add a bevel. So here it is. And now I can change like this.